dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup. For inside this our green, white, green country, so we be Nigeria. And once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates. Me get to report from my table like this way I need share give the general public. And this informate normally now about the things and things to the sup for inside Edo State. And the cocoa now be say, the Edo State Governor wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo don declare a state of emergency on public schools for inside the state. And according to Governor Monday Okpebholo, the reason why im dey declare state of emergency na because of the bad conditions of most schools dem for inside the state. Now how im take know say most schools dem dey in bad condition? You know say many men for inside Edo State they don know the governor as waka waka governor. They don know am as man wey no dey stay one place and no be lie, the man dey go across the state to torchlight how things be. He want to dey use im korokoro eye dey observe how things dey play for inside the state so that im go fit know how im go take help the people. And recently, some government officials dem for inside Edo State come plaster with the Edo State Governor wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, and together they come dey do some inspections, they come dey do some torchlighting, and they come enter some public schools dem for inside Ikpoba, Oka and Ego local government areas dem for inside Edo South Senatorial District. And during the inspection, the governor no like wetin im eye see at all. He now begin dey complain say many facilities dem for schools wey dey located for the urban areas dey in sorry state, dey in a very bad condition. He now come dey express his displeasure about the conditions of the schools dem wey he visit. And sake of say im mind true dey for Edo State people, he now begin dey drop his point of view about the whole matter. He now begin dey yarn how the thing be am for body. According to how the talk take fly out from the governor mouth, he say normally Edo children deserve a better schooling environment wey go last bring out the best in them. And the time when they do im campaign for the vote of electorate for inside Edo State, im bin promise to declare a state of emergency on public schools across Edo State dem wey dey lack modern facilities and conducive environment for learning. So as im visit Amide Secondary School for inside Ikpoba, Oka local government areas of Edo State and some other schools dem, im no dey pleased at all. Im no like wetin im see. And sake of that, he no get choice but to begin the action from the schools. Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State come still dey yarn say im dey feel very sorry and bad about the situation of the schools dem wey im inspect. He no just believe im eye at all. He say if men torchlight the type of schools wey their children dey attend, it is very much unacceptable. That kind levels, e no make sense. And he say normally as dem dey come inspect the schools, dem stop for road because say erosion now don spoil the road. Dem no fit use motor take enter, dem gats use leg, and those kind levels normally e no good for children, and they are not happy at all because dem want the best for Edo State children. So he say from tomorrow they go begin work. Many of the schools wey dem visit no get fence, and the road leading to Amide Secondary School has been washed off by erosion. They must give Edo children quality education to set them for their future, to prepare them for the things and things ahead. And the road wey dey lead to Amide Secondary School, men know am as Boundary Road off Lucky Way. The road still dey lead to Temboga. So that, my good people, na the statement of the Edo State Governor and the things and things wey im yarn after im don torchlight some schools dem, after im don inspect some public schools for inside Edo State. Now as a countryman wey you be, if you dey stay around Amide Secondary School, e go good make you observe wetin dey sup for there. Edo State Governor wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo don promise say work go start for there. The road they go repair am, and the schools they go put am in order. Normally men no get reason to doubt based on the things and things wey the governor don dey do for inside the state, but e go good make men dey torchlight, make e no be say im just talk for mouth then leave am like that. But however, my good people, after every the commissioner for education wey be Padi Iyamo, im na come dey yarn say information got to the ministry on the harsh condition facing students of the schools dem. That is, they don receive intel say wetin students dey see for schools dem dey yarn am hot, dey yarn win for many schools dem for inside Edo State. Now im dey talk say the governor don visit schools to see things for himself. The governor now don observe am. The governor now don use im two korokoro eye observe the harsh conditions wey many students dey go through based on say they dey go school, based on say they wan go learn. And no be like say the governor no get other things to do, no be like say he no get another place to go. But many countrymen fit agree say it takes a good governor wey get good sense of leadership to enter streets to go feel the things and things wey students dey feel as a student as they dey learn. And now im don observe am and im don yarn say im go make sure say every Edo child get access to good structure and teachers in their schools. Meanwhile, students of Ikiroda primary school dey hear am hot no be small, and dis primary school so dey for inside one community wey dey for SH0ЦKIN local government area of Edo State. Those students are forced to learn in a classroom wey be say if heavy rain fall, the classroom go dey flooded, the classroom no get desk, the classroom no get chair. Now before countrymen begin to dey ask why dat kind school dey approved, why dat kind school dey accredited, why dat kind school still dey exist, school wey no get better learning facilities or wey no even get learning facilities at all, no desks to sit down, no nothing. Before countrymen begin dey yarn all these levels, e go good make dem yarn the full koko. You know say despite billions wey dey allocated to the Edo Best educational program, the school still dey remain in ruins, the school still dey bad. Dis now dey raise serious concern about the state government, their commitment to education. And normally, most of these schools were built during the tenure of the former governor wey be Adams Oshiomhole. Things don spoil wetin no good for the school sake of the substandard materials wey dey use. Classrooms now, their ground don break finish, their windows don scatter, even the PVC ceiling sef don dey fall apart. Children now dey study in unsafe condition. And the most alarming issue na the leaking roof. When rain dey fall, school no go hold because say everywhere go flood. Now I believe say many men for inside we nation Nigeria go don experience one or two hardship during their school days, but e get anything wey worse pass the level wey be say you go dey school dey learn, rain begin fall, water go dey drop from roof, everybody now go dey find where to hide. Those kind levels, is it making sense? Now sake of how bad the condition of the school be, e come make dem dey get low at ten dance, and normally no parent go like to go register their pikin for school wey be say roof dey leak and they no get better learning facilities. Now mo no even talk whether they even get qualified teachers. And tori people receive this informate so. Tori people get these updates about Ikiroda primary school from civic technology platform Monit-NG. And the platform dey call for immediate intervention. Monit-NG dey urge the governor of Edo State wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo and his deputy wey be Dennis Idahosa make dem come address the crisis, make dem do something about wetin the students dey go through. And I believe say unto this informate so, many country people go begin dey point finger. They go start the blame game. And na the administration of Godwin Obaseki, 8 years no do anything. And na Senator Monday Okpebholo no be supposed to dey for office. No, this one no be about who dey for office no dey. This one na about the children. Anybody wey be governor make him do something about the things and things wey these children dey go through, because e no make sense at all at all. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the matter be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Once again, na we be reality latest gist. Na we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country so wey be Nigeria. So now if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and no forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more reality latest dey come your screen, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp sharp. Me dey come back again with more updates, with more informates for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.